Hey everyone, it's Liv from NurseLuxe. Welcome to another NurseLuxe unboxing video. I'm so excited to crack open this month's box. So the first thing I see is the letter and the little card with the theme, which is, drumroll please, nursing is a work of heart. So cute, cute little pun, I love it. Nurses don't just take care of their patients' bodies, they're taking care of their mind, their spirit, and their heart, and we really wanted to honor that with this box. So the very first thing that I see in here is this adorable little teddy bear. Oh my goodness, so cute. You can put this on your desk, you can give it to someone who needs a little extra love or a hug. It's adorable, cute little pink teddy bear just to lift your spirits. I think I'm gonna name it Beatrice. Looks like a Beatrice to me. The next thing that I see in this box is this fingertip pulse oximeter from Wealth Technology. You can measure your patient's heartbeats or their O2 levels. It is handy dandy, very portable. Boom. It has an OLED display and you will never question which one is yours because it's pink. So what's really awesome about this is that the screen is just so vivid and clear, and I'll show you a cutaway. So this is great because it comes with a handy dandy little strap. I will put a cutaway of where the strap goes exactly so you always have it on you, it's always on your person. This is a handy dandy little thing and you'll always know it's yours because it's pink. How cute is that? Up next is this beautiful notebook from Red Fox Designs. It has a gorgeous little heart cutout, beautiful word art on the front. If you haven't seen Red Fox's designs on their Etsy shop, please go check them out. There are so many cute things on there. It comes with a pen, and if you open it up, it's just some lined paper, which always comes in handy. I don't know about you, but I'm always looking for new cute notebooks to write down notes in. You can jot notes to your patients, you can spread the love. This is an awesome way to record your thoughts, whatever it may be. It's also made of recycled material, which is always great. And this pen is a nice pen, you know, it's really important to have nice pens, and this is a sturdy pen. It's good. Up next in the box is this shea butter lotion bar in the, not flavor, you're not gonna eat this, don't eat this. There's something for you to eat later in the box. It's in the scent of vanilla sandalwood. It's from Bedlington Supplies. It has shea butter, coconut oil, beeswax, and essential oils. Oh, I wanna break this open and see what it smells like. So the directions are all on here. It says, remove the lotion bar from wrapping, rub the lotion bar between your hands, or massage it directly on dry skin areas. Your body heat will soften the bar, releasing skin nourishing oils and allow you to rub it in more easily. Ooh, that's fancy. I'm gonna try it. It is so dry in the winter time, so this is perfect timing. Ooh, this is so different. I've never used a lotion bar before. I'm really anxious to see. Oh, it smells like a spa. Let's try it out. Ooh, it's really soft. It's a different consistency, so I guess you just have to rub it between your hands. That feels nice. Oh, that's really different. It's a different feeling, obviously, of course it is, than lotion from a tube. Oh, wow. And I think this would be really great before bed. So if you put this on your hands, put it on your elbows, any problem areas on your skin, and let it soak in overnight, it feels so luxurious. It's really relaxing. It has that nice relaxing smell. Oh, if you put this on and like a little bit of lavender oil on your temples or on your wrists, ooh, that sounds like a good night to me. We have chocolate, everyone. Hold the phone. We have chocolate. I'm so excited. I am already excited to taste one of these because I'm going to as soon as I open it. We have the Lake Champlain chocolates. They are organic dark milk chocolate salted caramel latte. Treat yourself after you do your vanilla lotion bar at night and you put on your lavender oil. Just having one of these before bed. Ooh, glass of red wine. I have planned the perfect night for you. You're welcome. I'm gonna try these. Let's see what it says in the back. Coffee infused chocolate filled with salted caramel. These are organic and fair trade, which is, oh, it's a plus. It's the moment of truth. Oh, I'm gonna eat all of these in like one sitting. I can't. What I love about this is it has that snap when you bite into it. Ooh, I just got like a different flavor from what I had before. delicious. I can say no more. Yum. You're done good, NurseLuxe. Last but certainly not least is this gorgeous, gorgeous piece of jewelry. It's a stethoscope heart necklace by Spotted Heart AK. She also has an Etsy shop, and she carries all different types of jewelry, so make sure you go check that out too. You have a lot to do on Etsy. Lots of shops to check out. So this necklace, rose gold. Rose gold is my favorite. I love rose gold. It's just such a classic color, but very different. That is the necklace. It is so adorable. It is a great accessory, and if you need a play-by-play on how to put the necklace on, I will insert that right here. Drape it around. You slip the heart right in. Wham bam. Thank you so much for joining me for another NurseLuxe unboxing video. I hope that you had an incredible, lovely February. I will see you next month. Thank you for all that you do as nurses, and from the bottom of my heart, see what I did there? Stay sane, stay gorgeous, and keep on nursing. I gotta stop making jokes. See you next month, everyone.